In this video, I'll show you how to install Maiqa, activate your license, and set it up for first use. After purchasing the plugin, you will receive an email with a link to download the CCX file. Do not open Photoshop yet. First, download the file. Then double-click it to begin the installation. Adobe Creative Cloud will open. Click Install. Then click OK. Now open Photoshop. Go to the Plugins menu. Find Maiqa and open the plugin interface. The Generate button is not active yet. First, you need to activate your license. Open the License tab. Paste the license key you received by email. Then click Activate. Your license is now active. You can use this button to show or hide the license key. If you ever need support, use Copy License Details first. Next, go to Setup and Settings. Choose a provider from the list. For example, select Replicate. Paste your API key. Then click Test API Key. If you want Maiqa to remember the key on this device, enable Save API Key. Now you are ready to generate. Open an image file in Photoshop. Choose a model. Select how many images you want to generate. Type your prompt. Choose your settings. Set the aspect ratio. You can also upload reference images from your computer. That's it! You are now ready to create with Maiqa.